Could a simple noise complaint lead to the capture of one of America's most elusive fugitives? On a quiet evening in Boston, police were called to investigate loud music blaring from an unassuming apartment. When officers knocked on the door, they were met by a nervous man who tried to quickly shut the door. Sensing something was off, the officers requested identification. The man hesitated, then bolted, leading to a brief but intense chase through the narrow alleyways. Upon apprehending him, the police discovered he was none other than a fugitive on the FBI's most wanted list, wanted for a series of violent crimes across multiple states. The noise complaint, which initially seemed trivial, ended up being the key to ending a nationwide manhunt and bringing a dangerous criminal to justice.